Hey guys, Mongo here. Quick update on Bitcoin. So sideways. There's not really not much else going on. Moved up from this morning. I think we're gonna come back down, grab some liquidity, probably retest this $64,000 range, which is the more of the macro area for the value area low. We don't want to have a large time frame close below that level. So in my opinion, 4 hours or higher. That's no bueno. That means we're going further down. We could go as low as 57, 56. I've discussed this previously. Those were the point of controls for the two previous peaks on Bitcoin from 2021. Well, it's a 3-day. Yeah, so over here. If you would have pulled the range for these, the peaks, the point of controls come in right around 56 and 57,000. I believe it's 56 over here and 57 over here. So that's where I'm getting those levels from. There's also some other big levels in terms of high value nodes coming in terms of those areas as well down here. 50, yeah. So if you zoom back in, you'll start to see different order blocks that kind of support this. Let's go to the 12-hour. But worst case is 52 is a pretty big block, big chunk. So here you got some nice order blocks on the 12-hour, 56.5. There's a 57.50, and then there's also one up here at 58, just underneath this wick for an SFP. That could come down wick and go. I'm currently in a hedge short, sitting about 65% from my entry. TP'd, paid for the fees. So at this point, I'm letting it ride. It's a free trade. Even if it gets stopped out in profit, there's not much to worry about. Looking for a bounce, potentially somewhere in the $61,000 to $62,000 range, hopefully. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. It looks like we're kind of just in a big consolidation pattern in and around the value area low. I'd like to see more of a W pattern kind of play out here for a bottom. You got your lower leg here coming back down. Let's see where this goes. Is it going to be a higher low, or could it be one of the ones where it comes back down and does a lower leg, SFPs, but it could still come back up. It'll come back up, retest this value area high, and then come back down for another retest of the point of control and then go higher. I am in agreement with some of the other Casper crew members. Between 76 and 83,000 is kind of my projected breakout target. I haven't drawn bull flags in a while, but there is a bull flag target up there. I don't have it in this chart. And if you draw a fib, the conservative 1618 level is coming in at like 101. And then you've got, let's see, I think 135 or 155 is the 2618. So I don't want to give any kind of hint there. So if you kind of cut it in the middle, I'm looking like the 135 is a realistic expectation, just based on fib levels alone. There's a lot more that goes into that, but that's kind of my thought process. But here's we are on the 5-minute. You can ignore these. These are now old. I'll show you XO in a second. I think we're going to lose this top. Up here is my short. Looking for, I don't know, let's see. Let's pull a fib for you on stream. Let's go off of this low here, somewhere in that neighborhood. Let's go to here. Roughly speaking, you've got some confluence here, like it's 63.9 up to 618. It's also got a liquidity pocket. Although I will say Asia likes to hit the 886. I do like that level as well. It's coming in at 63.426. And then if we lose that, we're going to flush down even lower. And I have these levels sitting here at 61.127 and at 60,913. So not much else is going on. Once Bitcoin starts to move its uptrend towards an all-time high again, all coins are going to freaking rip. So that's about it, guys. Nothing I say is financial advice. Best of luck. You want to find me? Hit a Crypto Blackwall on Twitter and the Blackguard Discord. Thanks.